Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to do a DIY bonnet. So this was some fabric that I had left over from that outfit, but I love this fabric. It's just cute, and I figured this would be a very cute type of bonnet. So guys, when you guys make a bonnet is nothing but a big circle, okay? Now, if you got longer hair, make the bonnet bigger. So you just take your fabric and you fold it into a circle, and then you cut it out. And this will be what your bonnet will look like. So you would just need the bonnet, and then depending on how long you want it, since I got a little longer hair, so I made my bonnet a little bigger. So when it go on, that is going to be so pretty. So that, and then you're going to need some small elastic, guys. So basically, you're just going to take the bonnet. Try to get it right. And we're just going to sew a loop around where you're going to thread the elastic through. So even though it's a circle, you still sew it around. And depending on what type of fabric, you can use a zigzag stitch if you prefer. So I'm just doing a circle going around, and then I'm just going to thread the elastic through. So what I'm going to do, guys, keep going around. If you guys can see, I'm just folding it over an inch to a half an inch, depending on the width of the elastic, but I want to use a small elastic. So next time when I come back through, guys, I'm going to thread the elastic through, and your bonnet will be all done, guys. I'm going to keep sewing around. Alrighty, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, next step, now that I have the circle, so now what I'm going to do is measure out the elastic, the width that I want it. And don't make it too tight, guys, because you guys don't want to have a headache. So you take the elastic, and I'm going to measure it around. Now I say about right there. It'll be good enough for me. You cut it. And now we're going to take the safety pin, put it through here, pin it, and we're going to feed it all the way through until we get it all the way around. So just keep feeding it all the way around, and then this will be how you guys make your bonnets at home. But I love this fabric. This fabric was amazing, guys. This fabric was amazing. So I'm like, oh, I can have a little, like Reverend Ike say, I feel rich and elegant. It's one of those like nice little, like, I don't know. I just love the sparkly stuff. It just looks really nice. So you're just going to keep feeding this all the way around until you get to the other side. And your bonnet will be complete. Almost around to the other side. So yeah, you just keep feeding it around. They do have a loop turner, but I have one. I don't know where I put it, but I never really found out how to work that thing. Every time I hook it, it always comes loose. So when you pull and try not to pull this other part out. Okay, so now that I got it all the way through, I'm going to pull, 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 pull. Now I'm going to stitch these two parts down, and the bonnet will be complete. Okay. Okay, so we just cut that off. and bring it all the way around. And then that last little piece where the open is at, I got to find that, and then you close that last piece. But as you guys can see, your bonnet is complete, guys. You guys can have a beautiful bonnet. And remember, you want it longer, make it longer for longer hair. But I just thought this was so cute. I thought it was a really, really cute bonnet to have. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So here is the finishing result. So you could take some very beautiful fabric and make you a elegant bonnet. So here you go, guys. We can be beautiful in our sleep. You guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.